Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today we are going to be creating the Brew. This drink can be found in Magic Kingdom's Fantasyland in Gastons Tavern. It is based off the movie Beauty and the Beast, and every time I go to Magic Kingdom I make sure to do a stop in the Gastons Tavern and grab a drink followed by a very delicious cinnamon roll. I know, sounds delicious, but I will be showing you the process and then the final outcomes out of this. But now, we better get to it. So please, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Let's go! So comment. I was doing the whipping cream and I smelled it. It just smells like it. I am very excited. This smells so good. Let's try this. Cheers. I'm gonna cry. It tastes so good. I love it. It tastes just like it. Okay guys, so if you want to make a Disney treat, do this. This is the best thing I have ever made and I absolutely adore it. It tastes just like it. The foam is just falling, you know, it's going down a little, but I just think it's the consistency. But honestly, it tastes the same. I'm gonna cry. I love this. So guys, I'm serious. This is very delicious. You know, it's good for a warm day. Go with this. I adored it. It's so like, I can taste the passion fruit, marshmallow as well. I can taste the mango, it's just so tropical. I adore it, I love it. This is going to be my go-to drink. And then if you want to add a little like spice, you can just add a little coconut Bacardi or whatever, you name it. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this now, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, goodbye.